Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Penrith for Penrith Part 6. I did not bring any system cards with me today, as I did not plan on doing any vlogs today, but yeah, things changed. So, anyone who requested Part 6, I'll gladly write your name down for Part 7. The next train on platform number 1 is actually sitting on platform 1, A26, which is a city service. The next train on platform 2 says special, so I'm guessing it'll be freight. And the next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Emu Plains, stopping at Emu Plains only. As you've probably known for part 5 of Penrith, Penrith has new signs on the seats and on the poles. Oh geez, I don't know why I had to zoom into that one, there's one just there. We've got a KSET arriving into platform 3, Emu Plains service. This train will stop at Emu Plains only. K93 is the front 4 cars. C3555 is the leading carriage. Judging by the car numbers, the rear 4 cars, K91. Waratah A26 is now departing platform 1 for a for a city service. The first stop will be Kingswood, then all stations to Blacktown, Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, and then on to the city. KSET is now departing. And in the distance I see some freight. And yes, the rear 4 cars, K91. Got a coal train approaching. The leading loco, 8202. The rear of the train's just at the other end of the platform now. Sorry about the weird camera angles. If it went all wonky then I was actually looking behind me, so yeah. There's an Oscar approaching. His marker lights are red. H3 being the front 4 cars. Earlier in the morning this train terminated at St Mary's and ran empty. to Penrith. H55 is the rear 4 cars. With both of these sets, the front 4 cars being H3. H3 was the first Oscar to enter service, the rear 4 cars being H55, the last Oscar to enter service. So, nice combination. Arriving on platform 3, V28, she'll be going to Lithgow, stopping all stations to Katoomba, all stations to Lithgow. DJM 8111 is the rear car. V28 seems to make an appearance in a lot of my vlogs, especially the ones that I tried to make a bit longer, like, what was it? Hamilton, the last Hamilton part that I did. The K-sets that went to Emu Plains earlier, K93 and K91, are now arriving onto platform number 1. Now the front cars, front set K91, the rear set is now K93. North Sydney service now departing platform number 1. This train will stop all stations to Lidcombe, then Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern Central, and all stations to North Sydney. Oh, there's an S set arriving. S91 being the front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars are 75. This train terminates here, and, well, I'm pretty sure it terminates here, and if it is what I think it is, it'll return to the city. Some trains going off different platforms at the moment. Okay. Emu Plains service arriving into platform 3, Emu Plains only. A67 is the set. You got the S set here terminated on platform 2, and they usually terminate on platform number 1. I've got a V set arriving into platform number 1, which V sets from the mountains usually arrive on platform number 2. V48 is that set, that is the Central Ice Service, Sydney Terminal. An S set and a Waratah next to each other. Alright, we've got V48 departing platform number 1 for a Sydney Terminal service. Anyway guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on this S set and I'll film a trip between Seven Hills and Westmead on it, because it will be express and it will be reaching speeds of up to 100, maybe even 110 or 115 kilometers an hour. And yeah, I just find that interesting because you don't really get to see S-sets going at really fast speed anymore. So, on that note, let's jump upstairs. Yeah, on that note, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I'm on car 3968. I'll start the next vlog once I get to Seven Hills. So yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, favourite the video. Thank you all for watching, really appreciate it. Bye for now.